everybody, and welcome back to the David Christopher's channel. We're so glad that you're here with us today. Remember that everything you see in our video can be found online at davidchristopher's.com. We sell wholesale and retail. And today's tree is a throwback from last year. If you remember 2020, we did a winter gardens tree, and David has revamped it a little bit, and he's going to be adding some different things to it.
Yeah, so it's going to be a little bit different. Last year we worked on a green tree and we added a lot of snowed items to it. This year we're working with a flocked tree and we're adding a lot of green to that. So it's a little bit reversed, but it's got a few of the similar items. Some of our most popular items are back again. So we're going to be showing you some of those as well as a lot of new items.
So check out the description box for a list of all the items that are used in this video. I'll also link up the 2020 video if you want to take a look at that, because it's going to be a more slowed down version of the decoration. Today, for time's sake, David's going to jump right in and we're going to start decorating this tree and get it knocked out, because our open house is coming up November 1st through the 7th and we have so much to do. So if you want a slower version, check out 2020. But otherwise, if you just kind of want to see the transformation and watch David in high speed, this is the video for you.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see the version from last year where we used the snowed red and green houses that light up, that look great in the tree, that we also have available this year because they were a great seller last year, you can look at the description below, I guess.
Yes.
I'm not sure how that works.
You can.
I don't know how to use YouTube or any of the other social media outlets.
Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye.